Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I guess we're gonna call this one the Adidas Hot Air Balloon Flower Box. So jumping right in, I'm gonna be using the box that the Crocs came in, as well as my glue gun and my handheld air pump. I have some 5-inch balloons that I'm going to be putting inside of the transparent balloon, and for the transparent balloon it's a size 18-inch that I'm going to be using. I also have some dry floral foam. That's what I'm going to be using with my artificial flowers. I got some chocolate as well, so those are Ferrero Rochers. And for my ribbon, I have some white ribbon as well as gold, and I have some bamboo skewers. I do also have some cellophane wrap that I'm going to use with the chocolate, and for my flowers I just got those from Michael's. Okay, so I cut the cellophane paper into tiny squares, so that's what I'm going to use to cover the chocolate. So starting off, I'm going to put a dot of glue on the back of the chocolate, and then I'm going to stick the skewer in and let that dry, and then I'm going to put the cellophane paper over it and then add some more glue to secure that together. Okay, so we're all done covering the chocolate, so let's move on to the next step. Okay, next I'm gonna measure a piece of the white ribbon going all the way around the box, and I'm gonna measure the gold the same length as well. I'm gonna use the white ribbon just to kind of hide the Adidas logo. So I'm putting that in the middle, and then I'm securing that with the glue, and then I'm gonna take the gold piece and just put that halfway through the white. Now I'm gonna make my own version of a bow with a white and the gold piece, and I'm gonna attach that to the middle, right where the Adidas logo is. Now I'm just visualizing how I want everything to fit inside the box. So I'm just gonna hot glue the dry foam towards the front where the bow is. Okay, so after securing the foam, I'm gonna add the shoes in, then I'm gonna do the arrangements for the chocolate and the flowers. At first I wanted to make the side where the flowers were to be the front, but then I decided to remove the bow and just put it at the side where the shoes were to make that the focal point, because I thought that that was a better placement. Now that I have the box all arranged, I'm going to move on to stretching my 18-inch transparent balloon. I'm just going to inflate the balloon to check the shape of it, and then I'm going to begin to insert my 5-inch balloons. As you start to add more of the 5-inch balloons into the transparent balloon, you want to make sure you're putting air into the transparent balloon so it doesn't start to squash the 5-inch balloon and they don't lose their shape. Now that I've inflated the transparent balloon to the desired size, I'm just going to twist it around 2 times and just pull the neck to stretch that out and just tie that into a knot. I already created my design on Cricut Design Space, and now I'm just using my Cricut Maker to cut that out. For this next step, I'm just going to be weeding the vinyl and using my transfer tape. Now I'm just going to be adding the words to the balloon and using my scraper tool to secure that. I'm now attaching the balloon stick and just using some blue dots just to make that a little bit more secure. And I'm just going to put that into the arrangement and then start to attach my white ribbon for the top. Okay, so I'm just adding the final touches to the balloon just to make that a little bit more secure. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and let me know what you thought about this particular hot air balloon shoebox design. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.